I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking hardware and network. If your phone has an IR blaster, you can skip network pairing, otherwise install a reputable remote app. Once done, make sure the TV's network remote or mobile control is enabled in settings and both devices share the same Wi-Fi. Open the app, grant camera/location permissions if prompted, and select your TV brand or tap auto scan. You're starting the connection now. This quick setup gets you from 0 to pairing in moments. You now focus on pairing method specifics. If using IR, point the phone at the TV and test power and volume. Cycle through codes if the first signals don't work. If using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, pick your TV from the app list, then enter the on-screen PIN or accept the confirmation code shown on the TV. Once connected, customize frequently used buttons and create macros for multi-step commands. Make sure to save this profile. This avoids repeating the setup every time. Finish by saving the configured remote and placing a home screen shortcut or widget for instant access. You'll want to keep an unobstructed line of sight when using IR and make sure your Wi-Fi has a stable signal for network control. If something goes wrong, first reboot the TV and phone, then retry the pairing flow. Often this clears handshakes and cached network errors. If problems persist, recheck app permissions and confirm the TV's mobile control setting is still enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.